This is another in our series of videos on Medicaid eligibility planning and applications. Today I want to address a question that we don't come across very often, but when we do, it's often the single most important question that people need answered. And that is, what if someone has already applied for or been approved for Medicaid and then they acquire new assets? What's going to happen then? Well, the first thing I'm going to tell you is that applied for and the application is still pending, or the application has already been approved, is something that is going to make a big difference. If the application is still pending and the amount of the new assets is significant enough, that's going to be a judgment call for an elder law attorney. Sometimes the smartest thing to do is to simply withdraw the application, do planning with those additional assets, and then to reapply. If the application has already been approved and the person is already on Medicaid, then we get into some critical timing issues. You have the rest of the month when the money in which the money is received to spend it down. Again, you're going to need guidance from an experienced elder law attorney as to what is or isn't permissible for spending it down at that point. But that can be done in the same calendar month in which the money is received, and then after that it simply becomes an asset. You have too much in assets and you're going to have to spend it down paying for nursing home care, and you will have your Medicaid benefits suspended until you've done that. So I guess if you want some advice here, it's that if you have that situation, the smart thing to do is to contact an experienced elder law attorney like us right away to get some help, because this is tricky, but in many cases there are still things that can be done to protect a good chunk of that new money. Thanks.